Imagine a world where the cure to your ailments grows right in your backyard. From the common cold to chronic conditions, nature might just have the answer. Have you ever wondered if a simple plant could change your life? What if I told you that some of the most powerful medicines come from the earth, not the pharmacy? In today's journey, we'll uncover the secrets of medicinal herbs and herbal remedies that have been healing civilizations for centuries. We're going back to the roots to explore nature's pharmacy and how it can offer us healthier, more sustainable ways to care for our bodies. In the lush greenery of nature's garden, a quiet revolution has been taking place. A revolution that doesn't shout through loudspeakers but whispers healing secrets through the leaves and roots of plants. This is the world of medicinal herbs and herbal remedies, a world where wellness springs forth from the soil and offers a bounty of health benefits that modern medicine is only beginning to understand. Let us start with the history. The story of medicinal herbs is as old as humanity itself. Ancient texts and archaeological evidence show that from the Sumerians to the Chinese, Egyptians, and Greeks, every civilization had its herbalist wise men and women who knew the secrets of the plants. These herbalists were the original healers, pharmacists, and doctors, all rolled into one, and their knowledge was passed down through generations as an oral tradition long before it ever found its way into books. Let us understand about the roots of traditional medicine in modern medicine. Fast forward to today and you'll find that the modern apothecary is still filled with the descendants of these ancient plants. Echinacea, known for boosting the immune system. St. John's wort, a balm for the troubled mind. And ginger, the root that calms an upset stomach, are just a few examples of the herbal legacy that continues to flourish. Herbal remedies are a spoonful of nature. Herbal remedies come in many forms: teas, tinctures, capsules, and salves. Each preparation harnesses the essence of the plant, offering a natural solution to many common ailments. The beauty of these remedies lies in their simplicity and the gentle way they work with the body, supporting and nurturing rather than overpowering. You will be thrilled to know the science of herbs. Skeptics may raise an eyebrow at the mention of herbal remedies, but science is increasingly backing up what herbalists have known for centuries. Studies have shown that certain herbs can indeed alleviate symptoms and in some cases work as well as their synthetic counterparts. For instance, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are not just folklore. They are a subject of serious scientific inquiry.
One of the joys of herbal remedies is that many medicinal herbs can be grown at home, even in small spaces. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary are not only culinary delights but also possess medicinal properties. Growing your own herbs connects you to the healing power of nature and ensures that the remedies you use are fresh and potent. Creating your own herbal remedies is both an art and a science. It requires an understanding of the plants, patience, and a bit of creativity. Whether it's brewing a calming chamomile tea or concocting a lavender-infused oil for relaxation, the process of making these remedies is as therapeutic as their use. As we look to the future, the role of medicinal herbs is becoming more crucial. With a growing emphasis on sustainability and natural living, herbs offer an eco-friendly alternative to many synthetic drugs. Moreover, the cultivation of medicinal herbs can support biodiversity and provide livelihoods for communities around the world. The world of medicinal herbs and herbal remedies is rich and vibrant, offering a plethora of options for those seeking a more natural approach to health. By embracing the wisdom of the past and integrating it with the knowledge of the present, we can forge a healthier, more balanced future. So let's step into nature's pharmacy and discover the healing power of plants. Let us understand about the healing power of plants. Plants have been our companions on this planet since the dawn of time, and their role in our survival is undeniable. They provide us with oxygen, food, and shelter, but their gifts don't end there. Hidden within their fibers are compounds that can heal, soothe, and restore. Medicinal herbs are nature's gift, a testament to the interconnectedness of life and the wisdom of the earth. Every culture has its garden of remedies, a collection of plants that have been used for generations to treat illness and maintain health. These gardens are a living pharmacy, a testament to the knowledge that has been accumulated over centuries of observation and experience. They are a reminder that sometimes the best medicine doesn't come from a lab but from the ground beneath our feet. Few things about the herbalist's toolkit. The herbalist's toolkit is filled with an array of plants. each with its own special properties. There's chamomile for sleep, peppermint for digestion, lavender for stress, and so much more. These plants can be used in various ways, from infusions and decoctions to poultices and oils. The possibilities are as vast as nature itself, and the herbalist is the guide who knows the way. The path to wellness is a journey, and medicinal herbs are the companions that can make that journey smoother. They offer a way to take control of one's health, to become an active participant in the healing process. They encourage a holistic approach to wellness, one that takes into account the body, mind, and spirit.